Humans are an integral part of ecosystems. Many of our actions degrade them, but we also have the potential to make them better. Around the world, governments are recognising that nature recovery is critical to safeguarding our well-being, as well as the ecological functions that we rely on for healthy ecosystems. Nature benefits people immensely, from food production to clean air and water, mitigation of climate change, pest control and pollination from beneficial insects and birds. But this won't happen without nature recovery. A major challenge is that enhancing nature in our heavily modified landscapes can be expensive and uncertain. So our efforts to recover nature could have unintended consequences that could worsen outcomes for both native species and for humans. Climate change is only making this harder. Extreme weather like cyclones, drought and floods can reverse years of hard work restoring degraded ecosystems. And that can make our ability to predict the outcomes of nature recovery efforts a lot harder. My research seeks to address this by combining traditional ecological field studies and experiments with new digital monitoring approaches and artificial intelligence that can help us acquire and analyse new data on how nature uses and contributes to production systems. My team and I also use a range of social science and economic methods to understand people's perceptions and experiences with nature. In collaboration with government, the agricultural industry and conservation organisations, we develop unique frameworks, risk assessments and decision support tools that will help decision and policy makers integrate biodiversity effectively. This is essential to ensure that the ecological communities that we are part of remain healthy and productive into the future.